Good morning, beautiful people. Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Salam. If you're watching the vlog for the first time, welcome. My name is Aman. It's turned out okay. It was really pouring rain this morning when I dropped the girls off to school, but it seems to have cleared up, which is nice. Hopefully it's supposed to clear up. That's what the news was saying. It's Thursday, which is awesome. Today's the only day where I don't have a crazy schedule. However, I'm gonna go tonight and meet the boys for some food and drinks. I'm just downstairs working away. Update on my computer situation, my Mac desktop. No luck with getting a trade-in for that and my Pro Tools, which kind of sucks. And that's a blessing too. I guess I'll keep it because it's, it's good. I have no reason to give it in, which is fine. So what I'm going to end up doing is probably trading my preamp and then getting a UAD card for inside the box, which is fine. I can live with that. So yeah, that's fine. I'm totally cool with it. So now I just got to figure out, at some point I got to get down there and actually take some stuff with me so they can see it and we can figure out a price. All right, fam. So yeah, I'm done. I just got off the phone with Long McQuaid. They're willing to take some of my equipment as a trade-in. So I'm going to trade my Avalon preamp. I never use it. I don't record anymore. I don't want to track. I don't want to record any vocals, nothing like that. I'm strictly a mix engineer. So I'm going to trade that in, and I got some really cool things, but I'll show you guys when I get them. Basically a UAD card. And I got a central monitoring station, so I can plug all my stuff in. I got one remote, but I'll show you guys when I get it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. That's awesome. That's done. One less headache. Fam, it's about that time. Gotta go pick up the girls. But before I do that, I'm gonna see if I can swing by the garage. Just depends on what time it is, because they actually pulled my Thunderbird out from what I call storage, and they're actually gonna start working on it, which is awesome. Pretty excited. They're sending me pictures and bugging me and sending me Snapchats and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to go by there if I can. We'll see, time depending. It's kind of dark, but here she is. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll put the lights on, but there she is, guys. Finally out on the hoist. Gonna work on her, get the airbags all sorted out, and finally get this thing going, get the engine in. Yeah, fam, super excited about this. Hopefully, get this thing done. It's gonna look good. Just working away, fam. Wifey's gonna be late today. Just feeding the girls. Just went upstairs and got them some food. I'm actually going out for dinner today with the guys, so I'm cool for now. Just working. I'm done my work. Now I'm just working on my other side gig work, so to speak. Just been going through trying to figure out the next steps for my computer and stuff. I don't know if I told you guys, right? I'm definitely going to keep the Mac desktop. I couldn't get a good offer in terms of trading it in. Actually, they didn't want it, so that's fine. I may sell it privately. We'll see. I'll probably take pictures of it maybe tomorrow on Saturday, put it up for sale. Someone takes it, great. I did order a couple of things for it though, UAD plugins, which is awesome. I'm looking forward to that. And then I'll be on my way, and also talk to a couple of mastering engineers in my local area. And this is really cool, guys. So they pretty much said, if you want to come down and learn from us, and we'll talk about apprenticeship. They said, let's do it. So that's awesome. So nothing will probably happen this year, just because it's too late in the year, and but probably next year at some point, I'll go and talk to these guys. But I've had the conversations. I sent some emails out yesterday. That's awesome news, because that's definitely the market and sort of the, the profession I want to get into is mastering engineering. I don't think there's enough in sort of, Punjabi Bhangra music itself, and it'd be nice to be kind of like, an expert in it and a trained professional in it, so I can help many of my people make, epic music. That's my goal. So I'm really looking forward to that. Again, nothing's going to happen till next year, but of course, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, fam, heading out now for dinner with the guys. I'm starving, man. I want to get out of here. Sar's waiting for me. Wifey came up late today because she had some production issues at work, but they're all resolved. Let's go. Alright fam, we're gonna head into Brown's, grab some dinner and stuff. Ray's already here. Grab the table and stuff. It's gonna be a fun night, man. Hopefully there's hot food, you know what I'm saying? Hey guys, so you guys see me vlog with my Sony RX-7. I think she's on her last legs. I don't know if you can hear this or not. Listen. That's okay, but listen to this. Hear that? Click, click, click. I don't know. I think, yeah, she's on her last legs, man. Just stepped in, fam. It was a good night. Hanging out at Brown's. Had some great food, great conversation. Tomorrow's Friday. Yes. Can't wait. I'm not sure what's happening. I got to do a couple of things tomorrow. Probably meet Sar for some dim sum, hopefully, if he's free. I'm working from home, which is nice, so it should work out pretty good. The weekend is going to be busy. Saturday, my alarm gets fit in, my new system, can't wait. Sunday, we're going to be busy all day with some other personal stuff, family stuff, so I won't be vlogging too much on Sunday just because I got some family commitments. But we'll play by ear, man. I mean, who knows? We'll see how it goes. But I want to say, for watching the vlog for the very first time, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to part of the family. If you want to see more vlogs just like this, please click on Guy in the Sky. Of course, to my peeps, be you, stay optimistic, enjoy the rest of your night. Here's a big high five from me to all of you.